Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can perform a regression analysis in the R programming language. So what is regression analysis? Regression analysis is just predicting of the value of a variable from another variable, where the value that we're actually predicting is called the dependence variable or the target variable, while the variable that we're going to use to predict that particular variable is called the predictor variable. So I'm going to be using the diamonds data set to demonstrate how you can perform a regression analysis in R. So I'm going to be loading the diamonds data sets. So let's have a look at our data. So as you can see, our data have 10 columns. We have carats, cuts, which is the measurement of a diamond's weight. We have diamond cuts. We have the color of a diamond. We have clarity. We have depth, table, price, x, y, and z. So this value x is the length of the diamond. The value y is the width of the diamond, while the value z is the depth of the diamond. So this variable that you are looking here, the depth is actually the depth of the diamonds expressed in percentage. So now we are going to perform a simple linear regression, which is just one predictor variable predicting a target variable. So we want to predict the price of a diamond based on diamond carats. In one of my previous videos, I talked about the correlation, which is actually the relationship between two variables. So we found out that there's a high correlation between diamond carats and diamond price. I'll actually leave a link inside the description to that particular video. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can predict the value of a diamond price using the carat. So the LM is used for linear regression in R. So where we're going to give our formula first, then also our data. Then all these are optional arguments. So let's give our formula. We want to predict carats. So I'm going to be using the tilde sign based. So we're just like saying carats regressed on price. So the regression function in R programming is the LM function. I'm going to be using the LM function. So where we're going to give our formula first. So what we actually want to, which variable are we using to predict a particular variable? Then our data. Then the remaining are optional arguments. So the formula we're going to give, now we want to predict the value of price using carats. So we're going to say price regressed on carats. So this is actually our dependence variable, or can say our target variable, while this is our predictor variable carats, or our independence variable. So we want to find out the value of this price using the variable carats. So this is the formula. This is the tilde sign that we're using to write our formula. Then next to give our data. So you can see our regression analysis has already been done. The formula price on carats. So this is the coefficient and this is the intercept, as you can see. This is the intercept, and this is the coefficient of carats. So if you want to find out more about our data, then we use the summary function. So let's assign this to a variable. We can call it diamond regression. So we can call this diamond regression. This is going to store our values in a variable. So we're going to use the summary function to find out more about our regression analysis. So this is a simple linear regression where we are using just only one variable to predict a variable. So we are using a particular variable to predict another variable. So it's called a simple linear regression. We're only using one predictor variables and one target variable. You can see our coefficients, our intercept, and this is the coefficient of the carat. So the carat is actually significant because, as you can see this asterisk, it indicates that the carat is significant. So which means we can find diamond price from the value of, a carat. And you can see that I've already explained the relationship between diamond carats and diamond price in one of my previous videos on correlation. So we also have the matrix called the R square. The R square actually measures our model fit. It shows us the percentage of variability in diamond carats that is explained by the model. So which means that this is actually a good model fit. And we also have the adjusted R square, which is a better matrix than the R square. The R square has some of its limitations. That is why we also have the adjusted R square. Though in this situation, they are the same. So these are the metrics which you can use to make some inference from the formula that we wrote, that carat is predicting price. We can also perform a multiple linear regression by adding more variables. So let's add the diamond length and the diamond width. So if we are to check the summary, so you can see all the variables, these predictor variables were added, carats, X and Y, they all came out to be significant. Diamond carat, diamond length, and also diamond width, they came out to be significant, with carat having 10,117, which means for every increase in a diamond carat, the diamond price is likely to increase by 10,117. And also for every, there it is a negative relationship, which means for a decrease in the diamond length, the diamond price is likely to, for an increase in the diamond length, the price is likely to decrease by 1,148. And also here we have the diamond width, which means for a increase in diamond width, the price is likely to also increase by 126. You can see the R square, we have 0.8535. This is indicating that our model is a good fit. So this is all for performing regression analysis in the R programming language.